morning students. How are you all? Fine? Great. So class, you all are ready to begin with our today's classes? Very nice. So what is the day today? Every day we are revising. So what's the date today? It's Tuesday. And how many days are there in a week? Yes, we have 7 days in a week. So what are the name of these 7 days? Quickly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Clear? So these are 7 days of a week. And out of these 7, today is the second day, that is Tuesday. So what are we going to do today in English class? In English, we are going to learn how to write letter V in notebook. Yesterday, I taught you what are the different pictures related to this letter, what is the sound of this letter, isn't it? So today, we are going to learn the formation of this letter in notebook. But before moving towards the formation, let us revise some pictures related to this alphabet. So what is this? Vase. Very good. It is a vase. What is a vase? Something in which we keep flowers, isn't it? So, vase. So the sound of letter V is V. V says verb. Clear? Now, what are these? I have a pumpkin here. I have potato. I have tomato. What they are doing here? हम तो letter V के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अब pumpkin, potato, tomatoes क्या कर रहे हैं? They are vegetables, isn't it? Vegetables. Again, when we are saying the word vegetables, verb, vegetables. Clear? Next, I told you what is this? Verb vest. What is a vest? It's an undergarment that we wear under our shirts or tops. Okay? What is this? Van. Yes, a school van. It can be a school van, or if you have seen ever been जो hospitals में van खड़ी होती है, the one which we call ambulance, that is also called van. Clear? So this is van. Now what is this? You might have seen mama using it while cleaning the home. What's that? Vacuum cleaner. So what is vacuum cleaner? Our air pressure comes out and suck away all the dirt. आपके घर की जो भी डस्ट होती है ना उसको सक कर लेते हैं. So that is called vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Then आपने सुना गांव, एक गांव था. Once there was a village. Village, गांव जो सिटी से बाहर कहीं दूर होते हैं जहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ नहीं होती है, ना ही इतना ट्रैफिक होता है. So you all must be aware. That is गांव. जिनको कहते हैं ना हमें गांव जाना है. That is village. Village. Then I told you about a bird that just fly high in the sky silently. Vulture. Yes, vulture is a bird. Village, a place. What else can be with letter V? Can anyone tell me? There is a color also with letter V. Violet color. So if you will ever see in your color box, I'll show you that is a violet color. Let me just take it out once from the box. Yeah, this is it. So you will find this color, it's violet color. Okay, this is your violet color. Then we have vinegar. What is vinegar? Vinegar एक बहुत ही tangy सा खट्टा वाला liquid होता है, which is used in preparing food items. So vinegar, आप मम्मा को बोलोगे vinegar दिखाने के लिए, she'll show you. Vinegar. Is that clear to all? So we have learned about so many vegetables, van, vest, vacuum cleaner, village, vulture, violet color, all are beginning with letter V. And the sound of this letter V is V. Clear? Now comes the formation. When we are writing this letter, we have to begin it from this point. Clear? एक ही बार में letter लिखना है. You will not pick your pencil. Make one slanting line and from the same point, one more. This is your letter V. This is how you write letter V. V says verb. Verb, vegetables. Verb, violin. Verb, vase. Verb, van. Verb, vest. So this is how you will write your letter V. Now it's time, let's move towards the notebook and see how to do our today's work in notebook. Okay? So open your notebooks quickly and write today's date, 17 August 2021. Okay guys? So class, like this you are going to write in your notebook date, formation of letter V, and you can draw any picture related to this letter, as I have drawn vase and violin. And yes, don't forget you have to color them as well. Clear? So don't forget to color these pictures. Now after that, take help from your mama to draw these dotted lines, and then you are going to do this work like this in the notebook. So let's begin how to write it. You will begin it from here, as I told you. Slowly and slowly you will come down, follow the dots, come down, and from this point go back again. So this is your letter V. Let's trace it again. Come down, go back. V says V. The sound of letter V is V. So this is just the small slanting lines you have to draw. Understood? Like this. आपको सिर्फ dots को follow करना है and in one single stroke. बिना pencil को pick किए. First come down, then go up. So this is how we write letter V with the help of slanting lines. Understood? Let's complete the work. Down and up. Once again, just come down, take your pencil, up now. And just trace it slowly and slowly. धीरे धीरे trace करना है आपको. You need not to trace it very fast. Slowly work करेंगे so that you can do it beautifully and neatly. Like this, come down, go up. Clear? Once again we will do like this. You will trace letter V in your notebook. After tracing all the letters, whatever picture you have drawn, don't forget to color that picture also. Is that clear? So this is how you are going to finish your today's work in notebook, and don't forget to share after finishing your work. Hope you have understood it well. So now quickly finish your work and share with me timely, and get ready for the next class. Bye bye all. Take care.